there is substantial saving on transportation. The biomass, which is available in various sizes and composition, is dried and compacted under high pressure to finally shape into uniform cylindrical blocks, which can be used as a substitute for coal, lignite or firewood. As compared to coal, they are cheaper by 20 to 25% and are preferred over lignite or firewood because of better quality and easy availability. Apart from tea plantations, one of their first users is this hotel in the town of Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu. The briquettes are used in the hotel's kitchen to generate steam as well as fire their ovens. The use of agro-waste briquettes could spell a new beginning, not only by converting large bulks of agro-waste into energy, but also by saving national foreign exchange reserves spent on fuel imports.